Jollof rice, the dish that sparks both hunger and heated debates. But where does it really come from? Nigeria, Ghana, or somewhere else entirely? Jollof rice's journey begins in Senegal, where it originated as thiboudien in the ancient Wolof Empire. This dish of rice, fish, and vegetables later spread across West Africa, evolving into what we now know as jollof rice. In Nigeria, jollof rice is smoky, spicy, and often paired with fried plantains and juicy meats. Ghanaian jollof? It's rich and fragrant, with a unique twist from local spices. But the real rivalry? It's not just about taste, it's about pride, culture, and which country makes it best. So, which side are you on, Team Nigeria or Team Ghana? Subscribe for more food videos.